Morning, good morning. Good morning, Jasper. Ice Cube. What up? Chris, Lynn, Eric, what's up? All right, Bram. Good morning. Ooh, let's see. Because we opened 8 minutes ago. Didn't check much. Okay. Are we finally going up? Are we finally going up? B. Hour. We just have a fair value gap here. 1 hour. We are trading inside the fair value. $15 minute. Let's see. Okay, looks like we're gonna go higher. Higher time frame, like there's not much supporting this. Like the hourly didn't even sweep previous hourly low. It's just the hourly fair value. What's everyone's bias here? I want to see your thoughts. What up, HM? Bullish. What up, Rabbit? I am bullish too, but I don't know where to buy here. Guess we don't have a SMT either here at this lows. Fair enough, fair enough. Same, like I'm feeling bullish, but are you receiving payouts from it? Not yet. I'm working on the accounts yet. Like still. Um, I hope I can get one. Soon. Yeah. I guess I can get one soon. Thing is, I got the I got the exactly on intraday trail, yeah. And it's really hard. Like I've been lowering my risk way, 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 way more, and taking up the positions really quick. 50Ks and I'm risking near 200. Like the max that I'm risking is 200 and something, but below 200 is what I'm looking for. Because that way is like the perfect spot. I mean, maybe you can risk a little bit more, but I'm trying like that's the way that I did it when I was trading Apex 2 years ago. Um, and and that was like my sweet spot to like growing the accounts and not like losing if I take a few trades and if the drawdown, the trading drawdown goes against me. Let's see. Yes. Looking like it's gonna go for the high. Not gonna lie. Oh no, evaluation is a different thing. I'm talking about funded. Evaluation is way more risky. Like I go with a bigger risk. Like on the 50Ks, I risk between 300 to 500 on evaluations. What I mentioned before is just for funded. Because the good thing about Apex accounts like the intraday ones are is that they're really really cheap. Um, and then you just pay the activation fee whenever you pass them. Uh, then like are you talking about our evaluations? I guess the last one, like the last question is about also in evaluations. Like if I get into big drawdown on evaluations, then I just try to one shot it and try to revive the account as much as I can, like opening like huge contracts. The quote unquote good thing about these accounts also is that the amount of contracts that you can take, you can use is fucking insane. Like on a 50K, I think you can use like 20, 30 minutes. Like it's insane. Like it's crazy. So there's different many ways to record the account. Obviously, more gambling than anything. If I do it, you can do it. Yeah. 540. Yeah, good spot. Like it's reacting to 540 for sure. But again, no sweep of the high on the 15 minute, not sweep, no sweep on the hourly. Like we're still trading an inside hourly candle. The only higher time frame that swept is previous 4 hour high. If it did sweep the previous hourly low, I would be cool with longing this most likely. We just straight into 5 minute gap here. Big money is. It's nothing for me. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Tend to long in this. Oh, that's right. Let me just check it out. Asia. A good consolidation. I'm checking out 30 seconds. Yeah. Man, at least now we swept previous 50 minute. And ES didn't. We have an S&T. Maybe shorting ES. Sorry. Let's see. I'm gonna try a short here. This equal lows here. This two, 4. Let's see if we can close below. Yeah, yeah, it's 100% reacting to this 15-minute. Boom. Yeah, yeah, it's 100%. Yeah, we are reacting. That's why let's see if we confirm this and we can continue lower from that. Yeah, that 540 was crazy. Yeah, we didn't get a closure. I mean, on NQ is still a long way to go to completely embarrass the hourly gap. Yes, different story. We're close to it. But on yes, let me hold the high again. Pushing higher. Thank God it didn't confirm. At least it didn't confirm. That way I didn't get into the position. So, okay. Did he stay the high? Not yet. Let's see with 4 minutes empty somehow. Have a good one. I skip. Thank you so much for tuning in. We still have the same 15-minute sweep. Let's see, maybe like if we confirm any of this, like if we start trading below any of these lows, we can, sure. See. In 5 minutes, looks like we put like a lower high here. And maybe we continue going lower. New 15-minute opened. Just another London session. That's true. And Friday. Is it Friday, right? Okay, yeah, it's Friday. How are you even awake? Oh no. And last day of the month. That's true. You just get out of lungs. GG. I didn't lung this. I didn't have the sweep, so I didn't actually lung this. see. No, no, 100%, Eric. Like you're 100% right. London price action has not been way near like to being decent, at least for me. I don't want to speak for everyone because everyone's model, everyone's trading way of trading is different. But for me, it has been like really fucking bad. What's happening in Spain? I don't have a clue because the thing is, it's happening like miles away from here. Like it's happening in two like small regions, um, right beside Morocco. But it seems like the borders there completely collapsed, and there's a ton of people getting into the country. The thing is, I mean, I'm not too aware of what's happening in terms of. I live in Costa Dorada. I live in the Golden Coast. The thing is, I don't know how many people like the numbers that I see are completely like different from what I read every time. Like there's people saying that there's I don't know 3,000 people getting in. There's people saying that there's like close to 40,000. I don't know. The thing is, the government is not going to do anything. Like nothing's going to happen. This thing's gonna it's gonna keep going for a few days. No one's gonna say a word about it, and nothing's gonna happen. Like always. I completely sculpture and I went from having a strong win rate without me cook. That's the thing, man. Like it's been really hard for me during London session. Like nothing. A month ago, a month or so, a month I would like see something and be so sure that it would play out or like that I really liked it to put the money on the line. Right now, everything I see is like okay, it seems okay, but not 100%, right? The good thing is I'm being able to see this. I'm being able to anticipate whether the market is okay for me to trade or not okay for me to trade. And if it's not, then I have to trade because hey, if I'm here in front of the screen, I'm going to take a position from time to time, and I just reduce my risk. Exactly, exactly. Yeah, we're gonna go into a staircase mode. I think we did that. It was yesterday during London that we eventually started moving higher, and yeah, it was hard to get a even a continuation long. the yeah. Why? Why we couldn't have a fucking sweep here? A 248 low. 100% Leo would have taken that. Yeah, that's true. Morning Matrix. You're making me jealous, Akash. Like in a better PA day, I think we would be coming back down by now. 100%. Yes, looks completely fucking cooked. By the way, like the 1 minute chart on ES looks fucking bad. NQ on the other side, okay, we're grinding up, whatever. But yes, looks really bad. I mean, we have this, that's true. But you just said that draws on liquidity. That looks really good. The thing is, we just took it already on ES. That's a really bad thing. Like right now, I think ES and NQ they're on a completely different page constantly. Good morning, Sifer. I had a dream last night. I was in a house with the Lab.live members. Okay. That's weird. That's weird. How you detect liquidity? It's just basically all highs, all lows, session highs, session lows, um, um, relative equal highs and equal lows. That's how I used to. That's what I use and would look for to actually get into like thinking about liquidity. It was weird, but it was nice too. Well, hope you had fun. And you look into gold. Let's check gold. Daily chart. We're trading inside an inside bar, inside previous daily range. Um, 4 hour. We're trading inside a 4 hour fair value, and we swept previous 4 hour. Minute. This 15 minute. How is it closing? Oh, we trade inside of 1 hour fair value. 15 minute breaker. 5 minute fair value. Not too sure. Like if we start moving higher from here, we can get the closure above here. I think it's a clear long on gold. But if it fails and it keeps going lower, like if it fails here, then probably it's going for the low again. I know it's easy to say that because I just gave you the two only options that you can get, but yeah, I'm not seeing like anything extremely clear on gold. Have you seen the post about FIFA? Where did they post anything? Twitter? No, where I haven't thought like it's going. Wait, this say Juno? I guess. I mean, if you dream about us, one, like if you dream, yeah, if you dream about us, one, maybe you are consuming way too much the lab live. He was making food in the basement and everyone was chilling on the ground floor. That's only what I remember. Wow. Wow. I mean, if we close above this on the hourly, on the 15th, let me check. You could call it, yeah, I guess. The 15 minute here closed pretty much up at the same price. Oh, that's on gold, right? You're telling me on gold or on Q? Thank you. Sorry, my bad. You were talking about NQ or gold? Yeah, no, Andre. I didn't take. So, isn't the drop candle C1 on the NQ and now you're see continuation higher? Which time frame are we talking about? I mean, yeah, Harun. I'm not saying like we're not moving because we're moving inside New London session. All that I'm saying is that compared to what we had 2 months ago, or like when like it's not about the movement that it's giving. It's about how it is respecting the PD arrays and everything in general. It's just like doing its own thing. Like we tap it, like see, okay, this fair value is holding, but damn, we just traded through the whole fucking thing. We didn't even like sweep again the previous hourly to create a C2 or whatever. Like it's just doing the same, these weird things that for me, and I'm not gonna say it's something general for everyone. For me and the way that I trade, I'm not having the things that I was having 2 months ago. I'm still having good movements. I'm still having movement. I'm not having anymore all the things that I used to have to be able to believe in my trades. That's the only thing. And I hate it. This hourly candle was trading inside the previous hourly range. Yes. Still like not doing anything. Go lower now. one 100% Heron. I agree with you. It was like, yeah, the market has seen, okay. It was like an Airbnb, I think, is better spawn outside in the dream than when in it luggage. I also remember going to the basement after Karen, and my bed was messy, and there was thinking also judge my bed. That's fucking weird. But that's funny. Another continuation for Leo. Let's fucking go. But did we turn to a fair value cap? This one made way more sense for Leo. But now we didn't trade into any fair value gap, right? He needs fair value gap. Mhm. Me that I need liquidity sweeps to be able to get into the trades, and I'm not getting any fucking sweep here. Nope. Here. Nope. Nope. Nothing. I'm not getting any fucking sweep. Exactly. Failures in city. Good morning, Zeus. To be honest, I'm making the most of the lab life. There's no better education in the industry right now for me as someone who has spent 2.5 years in ICT YouTube channel studying hard. Thank you, brother. I'm sure you're learning way more from Leo, Alex, Gain right now. I've been having a rough time training this market, especially on stream, because of London session. I've been doing good during New York, pre-New York, but London session has been really fucking hard. Being 100% transparent here. Gold couldn't trade above the previous low here. For how long did you backtest your strategy in initial years? I think it was a fucking full year of backtesting, forward testing, the strategy. Yeah, it was a full year, pretty much. Obviously, I didn't like come into the laptop every day and just backtest. I would like do sessions, try different things. Now, uh, and now getting a funder, trying it out again. But yeah, I used to do a really cool thing on Twitter where I would like forward test and back test like do back testing and then get all the trades into a document explaining each one of the trades and upload it to X. And I think I have some of these PDFs still, but it was fun. Like I made it fun for myself to actually do this job because it's actually fucking boring. And I used to find ways to do it, but yeah, it was a full year of just trying, pretty much. You know, uh, what have I missed? What do you think, Andres? What do you think? Nothing, nothing. Like I've been trying to. I wanted to get into longs from here, but no sweep. I've been trying to check into shorts, maybe if we could displace through a breaker block, but we didn't. We're just forming a staircase here. Thinking I'm gonna have a good one, brother. Yeah, way better off coming back in New York. It's great. of course it's good to see like all sides of the markets. But yeah, if I have if I could choose, I would obviously choose to be able to trade the market the same way always, of course. But yeah, I mean, it's it's gonna be a time for everyone to trade all of these different market phases, market type of PEAs, like, you know, and as soon as you do it, the better. Exactly the same thing. We're in the same page, Jules. We're in the same exact page. Of course. And it's a Friday and end of month, so not rushing here or anything. So what is the best time bracket for unicorn in your opinion? If I have, again, we're talking about market phases, type of transactions, and how they fluctuate, how they change in different sessions. But I would say, like, generally, if I have, if they ask me, okay, you can just trade one time bracket, one time window throughout the whole year. Uh, Mostly probably it's gonna be 10 a.m. from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York session. Right now, for me, probably from 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. That's where most of my trades are coming from. London session, bad. New York session, too much noise. And when the move is happening, like when we get out of the noise during New York session, it's most likely too late for my model. Are Alex and Leo American or European? I can tell. Yep, exactly, Beza. Right now, like as of right now, as of we speak, this last days, these have been the best times for me. Alex is Colombian, but born and raised in America. And Leo is from Canada. I think he was born and raised in Canada also, like the French Canada. Like he speaks French also. Any thoughts on Asia? I've been seeing Asia play out really well. I didn't trade. I think I traded just one day this month, Asia. It was pretty nice. Um, but to be honest, I cannot like say too much about Asia. I don't check the charts like how Asia played out, so I don't have an opinion. But I've seen like I think right now, if I have to rank, like give it a from like a position, I would say New York session is gonna be the first one, then Asia session, and I'm doubting here. I don't know if I should put the Asia session first right now, 'cause I think it's moving way cleaner. Don't even open chart during Asia. Start. Yeah, Asia is way too late for me here, so I wouldn't even consider trading Asia. Yeah, New York session, Asia, then London, or maybe even PM, New York PM, and then London. I think London is just the worst price action now. I don't know if it's just because like I'm getting wrecked all over the place, but that's how I feel about it. Did ES take any high? Did we do anything? Like we didn't do anything. Like if we start moving lower from here, you only trade New York AM, New York PM. You're doing weird then. Like smart decision. Yeah. Before I used to trade PM also, but it happened the same as London session that it changed the way it moved. really like so often. Like one month we could have really good moves during PM, and another month I think New York is just the one that keeps like the most consistent, and it makes sense because indices rely on the New York session pretty much. Uh, uh, uh. Really, I think my screen time right now is just what, maybe one? No, I mean 1 hour or not because I'm trading here on stream, but outside of streaming, well, counting streaming and outside of streaming, my chart time now is like maybe 2 hours and something, 3 hours at maximum, like not much more. 2 a.m. seems to have the best moves lately. 100%. Out like inside London, I would say 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. 3 a.m. is kind of mid. You would trade into anything here. No, 1 hour, no, 5 minute, nothing. We closed below this 5 minute, but I don't think. Oh yeah, we swept the previous hourly high. Wait, wait. Okay, it was 4 a.m. Today I've been talking way too much, and I didn't even like notice that it's 4 a.m. Jesus. We also have 3 minutes. Oh yeah, we can try this one if we actually get a closure. If we get a closure, of course. Well, we're starting this thing. Usually I'm not like in that interested anymore. What the fuck? Looks like maybe 4 a.m. was just manipulation. That would be fucking nice, to be honest. Like it's the type of thing, Matrix, that we keep saying inside the lab. Hey, we should do something like with the people that have been following us and like we have been sharing our journeys with. Um, yeah, it would be really nice. Like I would be down for sure, 100%. Wait, what a move here. What the fuck? See how we close this 3 minute. Where did you meet them, Matrix? It was the Ninja Trader event. 240. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, I didn't go to the Ninja Trader event. I did go to the prop firm event that happened like next week of it, like next week from the Ninja Trader event. Yeah, it was fun. I went Singapore for the last one. Yeah, all of the Ninja Trader team, they're really nice people. I remember once last year that I was in London. We went I was with Alex and Kane also, and we had a few drinks with the CEO of Ninja Trader and Anthony Crudell. Like they were really nice people. I think it's all Martin. I think it is Martin. Now he has is the strong one. Hmm. I did get into position a bit late today. Maybe we can get stopped. I mean, not willing to get stopped out here. Um, but I was gonna say that I had to probably go in a few minutes. Once again, uh, why is it pushing now? Yes. Now with this strong move, there's 100% chance that we were going to the stop loss here. Yeah. Anthony Crudell, yeah. He's the one from Ninja Trader. Like he's the head of the Ninja Trader Live. He has might be going for the high now. Gold dropped. That's crazy. Oh, another London session, guys. Well, seems like we're gonna go higher now. I mean, at least at ES, going for the high. We just took the high on ES. So nothing for me anymore here. The house was like a curious organ, I might call it. It's kind of an large type thing. You have to tell them. Like you have to join the New York session and tell them that you dreamed about this. Like you need they need to know. Yeah, you should do that. Okay, boys. Yeah, I'm gonna hop off. Nothing besides this trying to short this. Probably this was the only short signature that showed up that was decent enough to short. This one played out, but whatever. Another loss for London session. Really hard for me. Hope you guys have a great New Year session. That you have a great weekend. And yeah, just stay safe, to be honest. Thanks so much for tuning in once again. See you next week as usual. Bye, guys.